Welcome! Today we will compare a rectangular beam and an I-beam. They will carry the same load, in this example, 60 kilonewton point load, and are made from 300. Let us begin. Step 1 is calculating the maximum bending moment. Instituting the values gives a maximum bending moment of 90 kilonewton meters. Both beams experience exactly the same bending moment. Now let's calculate the bending stress. We use the equation sigma equals m divided by z, where m is the bending moment and z is the section sixths. Now let's compare the bending stress in both beams. The rectangular beam has a bending stress of 250 megapascals. This means the I-beam experiences the bending stress, resists bending much more efficiently. Finally, let's compare both beams. Both carry the same 60 kilonewton load and develop the same 90 kilonewton meter bending moment. However, the I-beam's larger section modulus